Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best food processors currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1. MAGIMIX Robot Cuiseur Cook. The MAGIMIX Cook Expert radically transforms the cooking from scratch experience with a mighty, time-saving, all-in-one appliance able to produce a vast range of dishes, from starters to desserts, to feed between 2 to 12 people. It can chop, slice, grate, steam, sear, brown, simmer, stir, blend and knead. Perfect for cooks of all abilities from beginner to expert, who want to efficiently accomplish cooking from an intimate dinner for 2 up to a lively crowd of 12, the Cook Expert takes everything in its stride. Number 2. KitchenAid KFP0718 CU Food Processor. Elevate your everyday meals with the 3 speed options and the ability to chop, shred, slice and puree everything from fresh veggies to cheeses, sauces, salsa and so much more. Number 3. The Cuisinart Elemental 8-Cup Food Processor is designed to perform any food prep task your recipe calls for. Big enough to chop ingredients for a party-sized portion of salsa, the Elemental 8 is also powerful enough to turn a full work bowl of vegetables into healthy pureed soups in seconds. The wipe clean rubberized touchpad controls and reversible shredding and slicing discs make this food processor a firm favorite of cooks. Number 4. Breville BFP820 BAL Sous Chef 16 Peel. With a new peeling and 12mm dicing attachment, this machine's precise cut leads to even and consistent tastes and textures, making every dish tastier and flavorsome. Featuring 3 shoot sizes designed for every shape, you now have even more options to create masterpiece meals in minutes. Number 5. Easy Assembly 8-Cup Food Processor. Just set and go for chopping, shredding, slicing, and more. The Black Plus Decker Easy Assembly 8-Cup Food Processor is designed for convenience. Just set the work bowl onto the base and twist the lid until it locks into place.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.